Greeting my nature-loving people out there. Now I'm gonna do a little update of my 48-gallon tank. You probably saw my tank, how it actually grown. Well, this is about 2 months later. Probably the last videos I ever took, and this is what you see right now. The wisteria is growing like crazy, and tiger lotus. Before that it was about this small. Now it's just, yeah, it's going really crazy. So what I'm gonna do with this tank, especially this, I'm gonna sell them off, the excess plant. I'm gonna sell it off online, and I'm gonna trim this one, and I'm gonna put it right there. Later on you'll see I'm gonna put it on a smaller tank. It's a 5-gallon. So the excess I probably might sell it off. The rest I'm just going to just leave it as that. So yeah, if you have any excess plants that you think they're throwing away, my word of advice is don't throw them away, because you can actually sell some of them or give it to your friend. In here I have this one is growing like crazy. So see, I'm going to sell this off. I did recently sell it off in the top, and yeah, so $6, $6 Singapore. So don't throw them away, they are pretty good, and you can give them to your friends. All these things coming up right now. This is my CO2. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to trim this part here. No, I don't have any fancy scissors. You don't really need a fancy scissors, but if you do, it's okay. It's my kitchen scissors. I wish I cleaned it nicely. So I'm going to trim it down. That's why I make this video, so that before I trim it down, I just show you how it looks like. Alright, so let's get to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably cut this part right here. Right here. See it? Look at that. Look at that, guys. But I'm gonna clean it up later. So look at that. There's a lot, isn't it? Yeah. See it? Beautiful. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna sell it off later. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah. Just gonna get some closer look. See what I'm doing right here. Yeah, just gonna bring it down a little bit. There you go. So it looks a little bit better right now. Probably is gonna, it doesn't look good. No, I don't want to cut it too deep. Just trim it a little bit here. There you go. Just put it right there. I think it looks a bit better right now. You can see very closely. You can see that. Look at it, bring it right here. I don't have a zoom lens. I'm currently not using a zoom lens, so I'll have to bear with me for a while. This is the trident fern. You can see I'm probably gonna cut it off and put it somewhere else. So there are a few of them that's growing right now. I'm using CO2 so that really speed up the growing process. Yeah, very happy with it, how it turns out. Oh man, this is ugly right here. I'm gonna cut that out. We don't need to see that, do we? Yeah. Oh, the roots are growing like crazy, man. Yeah, wow. There's a lot of work to do right now. Alright guys, I'm back with this tank. This is my 5-gallon. It's a beta tank. Well, I have one Tetra. I used to have quite a few of them. So decided this is near my TV area. Pretty simple setup. This is just basically an LED light. Like it now, you can change the colors to blue and red. So I'm gonna plant this one right in this tank. So I'm probably gonna put it right in the corner. So like about the wisteria, it's good very easily. Really easily. You give a little bit more of light something. All kind of plants. They go really fast. The temperature is cool. You can see the more of the lacing split, the leaves. So that's one way to know whether the water is cool. My other tank, the water is pretty good. Recently I did a review on my fan, which is I'm pretty happy with it. It's doing great. Bring down about 2 to 3 degrees, and that temperature is 27, 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, I don't know, I'm not so sure what's in Fahrenheit. I think about 70 maybe, 70 plus. I think it's a nice range for tropical plants, not too hot. You don't want the plants to be too hot, the water to be too warm. So I think it's a pretty good start for taking care of aquatic plants. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to show you a close-up. This is how it looks like. Very simple setup. Nothing fancy really. Which I'm trying to just keep it simple. This is near my TV area. Just below my TV. I yet to clean some of the algae though. I don't have any algae eaters here. No snail, no nothing. I have to do it manually once a week. It used to be much worse than this, but my lighting was I on my light about 7 hours a day. These are all low light plants. There's no CO2, no nothing. Just keep it simple. I have about 3 beta, 2 female and 1 male. Now you're wondering how can I keep them together? Well, it's not a problem as long as you have places for them to hide. It's not a big deal. So it's really possible for them to be together. I even have 2 male ones, but one of them died. Not because they were fighting, it's just that one of them is getting old, so I had to remove one of them. Yeah, so I only have 1 neon tetra. He doesn't care. He's doing okay. Alright, so that's what I pretty much what I do to maintain my tank, and just to show you my updates of how it turned out from 2 months ago until now. I like the setup. I'm going to keep it as it is, unless something else inspired me. You can never be satisfied with the way it looks. You can always change it anytime you want. But so far, I'm loving it. Especially my trident fern. Yeah, my favorite plants is actually this plant, trident fern, because I just like the way it moves within the water column. Alright guys, keep you updated until the next video. So the next video I'm going to do is I'm going to do a species spotlight. Maybe get an update on the type of plants that I'm having now. So the next one I'm probably going to do a species spotlight on my trident fern. And I'm going to show you probably how I'm going to propagate them and place them in different places. So I hope that you subscribe and keep watching, and thank you until next time.